All right, so shout out to Julian. That's right, everybody give it up for Julian. All right, thanks a lot, man, for sending me your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway, right? So I asked Julian to describe himself, right? And one of the things that he said was that he realized one day, like a defining moment in his life was when he realized that he could control his reality with his thoughts and, you know, where he puts his energy, right? So I thought of the perfect Igbo name for him, Chimobi. All right, so you guys ready to translate that name together? Chimobi. All right, so Chimobi, or I guess like the fuller version of that name is Chimobim, right? So let's translate the name together. Chimobi. Well, let's do Chimobim so to get the full meaning. So Chi in this context means like God or destiny, right? It's kind of more so God in this. Let's just say God for this translation, right? Because we're going to personify God and say that He's basically performing an action, right? So Ma means to know, right? And Obi means your heart, right? Or like your heart, or almost kind of like your plans or what you have in mind or what's important to you, right? And that sounds at the end means you're talking about like it's basically possession, right? Possession, or you possessing whatever you're talking about first. So it's like you said Obi. Obi means heart. Obim means my heart, right? So it's possession of whatever word comes before that. So kind of like saying, you know, yours. You know what I'm saying? So you put those three together. Chimobim basically means God knows my heart, God knows my strength, God knows what I have in mind, right? So I basically gave him this name because he mentioned that a defining moment in his life was when he realized that he could control his reality based off of where he puts his energy and what he works on and stuff like that. And that's kind of a representation of God knowing what he basically plans for his life or what his destiny is, and God wanting to help him achieve his goal because God knows what's in his heart. God knows what he wants to do, right? Chimobim or Chimobi. All right, Chimobim, God knows my heart. Chimobim's names give him the power to be ambitious, intellectual, and strong-willed. Tag and share this video with all the Chimobims or the Chimobis that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indo Janil on the Wakwe Zone.
Yeah.
All right, so what do you think? Was that a fitting name for him? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So if you would like your very own Igbo name, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're expecting a child, right, and there are certain things that you would like to speak into that child's life and manifest, you know, into their future, certain personality traits or gifts or talents that you would like them to have, let me know. My Instagram is linked down below, right? And you can let me know basically whatever idea you have for your child's name, and I can give you the closest African, you know, Nigerian Igbo name, right? For like whatever concept you have in mind. If you would like your own Igbo name, just like Julian, let me know in the comment section down below too. Let me know some things about you, defining moments, personality traits, your relationship with God, things like that. And I can give you a perfect matching Igbo name for that. And I can give you that name on this Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series. If you are Igbo, let me know too. Igbo by blood, marriage, association, things like that, right? And I can feature your Igbo name on the Igbo Name of the Day the Igbo Name of the Day series. This is the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series. So I have a regular Igbo Name of the Day series where I just highlight Igbo Nigerian names if you are Igbo. So let me know. I can highlight your name too, translate it for everyone, and tell everybody what it means, all right? So if you are Igbo and you would like to be gifted an Igbo name, like Julian was, I think it would be a great thing if you would like to connect with your ancestors, receive a name that's, you know, from your roots. In our culture, we believe that the gifts and the blessings from that name are unlocked every time someone says it. So whenever someone's saying your name, they're not just calling your name, your identity, right? They're actually speaking those blessings and invoking the name of God and like his power in your life and allowing you to just manifest what your destiny is every time they say your name. So it's like a built-in way to always walk in excellence. I think that's something that a lot of times us Africans, we might take for granted because we're used to our names, you know, it's you know, something, you know, just very commonplace for us. But I would like to share that with everybody in the diaspora so that they can understand where they come from, you know, where their roots are. If you've taken African Ancestry tests, let me know if it shows up that you're Nigerian, if it shows up that you're Igbo, if it goes down that far, let me know. Or, you know, if you're from another part of Africa, you know, doesn't matter too. If you like an Igbo name, I always like to, you know, myself learn about names from other countries and other tribes and things like that. If you'd like to learn more about Igbo Nigerian culture, let me know as well too. If you'd like a name, I can give you one. So if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like it, then just tap it really lightly instead for me, all right? All of your engagement on this YouTube channel goes a really long way. Every time you like or comment, it helps the YouTube algorithm know what type of people enjoy this content, and they can recommend and show it to more people just like you. So I really appreciate that. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you are returning, thanks a lot for coming back. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not already. Hit that bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. Remember to hit up my comment section if you have any questions or comments. And in the description, I got my Instagram DM there, right? If you want to send me a message for an Igbo name. I really appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.